Once a Tempo team has been created, it's ready to be populated with team members. You can add members one at a time, or add them in bulk, based on Jira user groups that you have set up. Let's check out how to do both of these methods. I'll click on my team's name to open its overview, and I see all the information that I just entered. Now I can click the Add Member link under No Team Members if the team is empty, or click the Add Member button at the top right. In the form, start typing the user's name, and I'll add Catherine. Even though she's the team lead, she's not automatically a team member. Catherine is already on other teams, so that's why I'm getting a notification about her overcommitment. We'll look at this in a minute. Select a role for this user on this team, such as Project Manager. Note that members can have different roles on other Tempo teams. About that commitment issue, this is the percentage of a team member's work capacity for a team. It's used essentially when doing team planning with Capacity Planner. A member will have 100% commitment if they're not currently shared with other Tempo teams. In this case, Catherine is going to be working on this team and another one, so I'll set her commitment to 50%. Set the date that the member is joining this team, as well as the leaving date if it's known. You can leave these dates blank if you're not sure of them. These dates matter when you're team planning with shared resources, as well as for running reports later on. Select the skills that you want to associate with this member. These skills will be visible in Capacity Planner and can be used for filtering there. Catherine already has several skills assigned to her, so they show up here. I click Save, and here's the first member on the team. Catherine is still overcommitted, so later on I'll lower her commitment percentages in her other teams. When you're adding team members one at a time, it can be slow, especially when you have a bunch to add. Let's look at how to add multiple members in one shot. I click the menu beside Add Member and choose Import from Jira Groups. In this form, select a user group from the list, or start typing its name to find it. Scrum Stars is the group that I want. It has most of the Scrum members I need, so that's a good start. I could add more than one group here if I wanted. I'll click Next, and here you can click the user's link to open up Jira to verify who's in the user group. I know who's in this group, so I'll simply confirm that everything is okay. And just like that, they're all in the team. Notice that each team member is overcommitted across other teams, just like Catherine. I can either adjust their commitments on those teams, or remove them from this team if their capacity can't be shared. Now I can click the pencil icon beside each team member's name to assign a role and skills and enter other information, just like I did for Catherine. And my Tempo team is now complete. Just a note that if you reopen your team later and notice team members missing, it's probably because of their joining or leaving dates. The current members are displayed by default, but you can switch to all members in this menu to see everyone. And now you can see that Angel's joining date is a bit later on, which is why he doesn't show up as a current member. With this Tempo team created, it's time to manage the team permissions for its members and others, which I'll cover in another video.